dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you.
I think from the powder.
So that is 7:05 local time. How do you feel?
I wonder why we cannot get out of here in less than an hour. We got up at 5:30 and we're just now ready to go.
But we cooked and ate and cleaned and picked up and packed and repacked.
I guess that's true. Yes,
the food.
because we did have to unload the entire cooler to put it in a bear box and put it all back into the cooler.
Because those bear boxes right there, that little sucker, Yosemite, make them 3 inches taller. Or Igloo, and Yeti, make your coolers 3 inches shorter.
No, we can't have a smaller cooler. It's filled to the brim as it is.
Where are we headed?
I think we decided we're going to Glacier Point. When we were at the visitor center yesterday, this lovely man marked out some neat hiking areas. So there's Yosemite Valley, and we can go into, we go park at Glacier Point, and then we can go see, I'm sorry, no, that's not correct. Go over here to Half Dome Village, and then we can hike this, and it loops back around.
Yeah, but we're gonna do Glacier Point first because that's the only way. The only time you can get into Glacier Point is early in the morning or late in the evening.
So we're gonna park over here, and then we're gonna do, and this loops around too. Now one of these though, and I think it's this one, when we loop back around, we can get on the John Muir Trail as well.
Yes, we will get on a small portion of the John Muir Trail today, if Olivia's legs hold up. All right, we're off.
Wow, isn't that pretty? Tired bird.
So I'm going to pull down here, I'm going to push here, right? And I'm going to get my foot up here, like that, 3 points of contact, right? Okay, so I'm here, and this is a great hold right here. It's actually an even seam right here. It's like super easy. Get down. Don't get right on top of me like that.
Oh, sorry, you pushed it.
I'm not going to go much higher. Because coming back down is going to be a lot harder.
I climbed up this. That's why I just did. I climbed up.
Man, boy, you are just getting after it. You're a regular rock climber, rock star. Uh-oh, I can't see him. What do you think of rock climbing?
I like it rock climbing.
Wait, all the way up there?
I could probably tell you and get on top of that.
But look at how far we've already gone. We're like 150 feet up.
Yeah, but I couldn't get right there.
Oh. I climbed up Captain. So did you. This.
A little wet.
Hey, what's that in your hand, honey?
It's my trash still.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness, give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine?
You excited?
Yeah.
What are you more excited about? San Francisco in a hotel room or Lower Yosemite Falls?
San Francisco in the hotel room.
Gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, air car. It's smaller. Yes. Is it good? I don't know. Is it? You're the master. No. Oh, the pressure's on. An air bubble. Nope. I see an air bubble. I see an air bubble. Where has an air bubble right here? That's the one that.
Don't worry, Olivia. They get the next ones.
Me? Yes.
I see an air bubble.
It's just a little dot. Dumb and
Feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine and know I'm gonna be alright? I don't know what you do to me.
out! In! Out!
Whoa, yeah.
Right?
Two.
Dad!
Ow!
That's it! Wait.
Out.
That is way out. Outable! I'm not sure if you can double hit it or anything. Where's your paw?